Hey, it's the old Florida boy back with you. Happy Canteen Cup Tuesday, everybody. This video is kind of interesting because I went out and it was really hot and I didn't really want to cook anything, so I decided to make what I call stripped down swamp coffee. But when I got there, I remembered that I forgot anything to light a fire with: matches, lighter, my magnifying glass, anything. So I had to make do with some cold coffee. So on Canteen Cup Tuesday, here's my rendition of stripped down swamp coffee.
Something in the water that's calling my name.
All right, as promised, I think this is going to be an edition of Canteen Cup Tuesday in the heat. Since I screwed up and I don't have any thing to make a fire with, I got me little folders. Actually, I got 2 folders, okay? And because I'm not a total savage, I got 1 little thing of Coffee Mate vanilla creamer. The only knife that I have with me is a pocket knife. So what I'll do is get out a canteen, get out our handy dandy canteen cup, which actually the cup is kind of cold because the water was cool. So let's see if we can get this coffee done. Alright. This could be good or it could be terrible. Alright. Alright, here we go. It's 2 Folgers. Now, I think I'm going to put this I'm going to put this Coffee Mate in with Folgers. Now, this is kind of iced coffee without the ice. See if we can get a good mix. Alright. Use our knife. Swish it around. Now, the proof is in the pudding. Alright. 2 Folgers, 1 Coffee Mate, and a lot of flies. Here we go. That don't look too bad. Let's see. A couple grounds floating. You know, actually, that's not bad. That's how to beat the heat on a Canteen Cup Tuesday without a fire. Use some of this instant coffee, and it does. All you got to do is stir it up, and it does dissolve. 1 little Coffee Mate, and this actually isn't too bad. Man, I might have invented something. Cold cowboy coffee. I'm going to call this Canteen Cup Tuesday stripped down swamp coffee. Stripped down swamp coffee. That's it. Stripped down swamp coffee. So, hope you enjoyed my video, how to beat the heat and Canteen Cup Tuesday today. Once again, in the left hand side, you're going to see some suggested videos. In the upper right hand corner, you're going to see my subscription bubble. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share. And once again, coming to you from the hot swamp on June the 20, I don't know, 6th, 7th, something around there. Sheesh, it's hot. This is Matt, the old Florida boy, saying, I'm going to see you on trail.